All right, man. So I have your S55 torn down. I have your bearings here. These are the mains. These are the rods, crank hub, timing stuff, more timing, crank, head down here, valve cover, oil pan, turbos are back there, and then all your other stuff like wiring harness, water pump, all the other accessories are in that bin. I will get pictures or videos and show you that later. But basically, this first video is just going to be me telling you that I'm going to be sending you a few more. I'm going to go over all this stuff separately. You're going to get about 3, maybe 4 videos just showing you everything here. I went ahead and, as you can see, wiped everything down. Crank is clean, bearings are clean. Yes, this is wear. That is not oil in there. Everything is clean. So pistons are obviously a little bit dirty, but we'll be showing you in depth what's going on with all these and what exactly failed. So keep an eye out for a couple videos coming up in the next probably 5 or 10 minutes.